Guys and girls, morning to you. We're on a first drive for the day. Turn this camera around. So anyway, we got called out here to clean the gutters. Okay, clean the gutters and blow off all the debris. That was the call. I ended up upselling the whole package: roof debris clean off, roof clean, house wash, flat work, the whole nine. And even the back side of the pavers, they got a little patio. We got some damage here, so we'll probably have to wind it. Can't use a surface cleaner here, and I'll probably spike it with a 5%. But you can see all this walkable roof. So Tony's gonna get up there real quick and blow it off with his Kruger paws. And by the way, I also sold her on this is her rental house, and she's got a house twice this size. I sold her on the whole package on that. Spot treat that roof. That roof not as bad, but so we're gonna go ahead and blow all this out, clean it up. So Anthony's gonna get up there. I'm gonna start on property protection, start getting that rolling. You can see somebody trying to do some pressure washing or something here. So we're gonna fix that today, make it look good. So beautiful morning here. It's 65, 70 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the hose while Tony does all that. We got water here. So again, when I hook up my hose, I'll unroll it all the way just to maximize my flow. Guys, got Tony up on the roof, blowing it out, blowing them gutters out. Very walkable roof. Most of it at least. And again, when we blow all this out, we hit the downspouts, we blow them out as well. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and start surface cleaning while he's finishing off that. I went ahead and blew this off with the backpack, fresh fuel, everything's good. Ball valve open, of course. There you go, baby. I just let it run for a little bit. Clean off my cleaner. Let it run for a little bit. See that rust? Build up in the system, baby. I'm gonna hit this low spot first, and then I'm gonna walk up here and then, you know, work it, because you hit the low spot, the water don't sit there in your way after you did all this, so it came down. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. Crank it up, full speed. Catch up with you in a minute. All right, peace. With that, I don't know what that is. What is that? A competitor?
Yeah.
Let me see. Exterior and roof.
Pretty clean.
Oh, they done lost the job. Told me slipping. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse. And sometimes you can't get all that dirt out. You try to. All that water standing in the corners and the edges. Yeah, look at it. Not impressed. We'll see what a spike does here in a minute. I'll do a test for you guys after I clean this off. So, anyway, let me go ahead and rinse this, and I'll do a test in a minute. Catch up. Peace. Alright, guys, what I decided to do, I'm gonna pre-treat this with downstream, just to see if that makes a difference. So I'm gonna let this sit in here for a little bit. Again, it's the 1.8, so we're getting a little stronger mix. Just to help out with this. This is really filthy. I usually don't pre-treat, but I'm gonna try it here and see if it makes any difference. Doing some testing on the job today, baby. Trying to be efficient. Knowing what works for you works. You know, that's how you figure it out. So there you go. Look at that nice coverage. I'm gonna just go ahead and hit it all now that I'm here. first coat. Got the driveway done. Put a post treat here, popping. We put some down there. We're testing it out. It should pop, not a problem. Tony's on water control. I just sprayed this to see what we're working with, and then I'm going to continue spraying. Got a little sunshine shot. Yeah, get that plant good. It's really tipped up. Isn't it good? And a little trick for y'all, a little nugget. If you coat right here, the runoffs don't tend to happen as bad. It's almost like it's a dam. It kind of stops it a little bit, you know what I mean? Alright guys, I hope this camera's right. It's on my head, I got this headband. Anyway, Anthony's going to go ahead and get up there, and he's going to spray it, a fan pattern. So you can see here, here's the gutter outlet. The gutter outlet, there's no vegetation. I'm just putting a little free water just because that's what we do. And then I'm going to spray all this too with a roof wash. Let it marinate a little bit. You see workers have been here. Leaves keep falling. It won't be long before we back. There's a gutter as well. Let's see that good flow out of that thing. Swirl this out a little bit. You can even put this on lock so you ain't gotta hold it down. And then in a little bit, I'm gonna start washing the house. In fact, I may do that while he's roof washing. I'll get Anthony a taste of the roof wash life. He got promoted. We'll see how he does, and if he can do a good job, we're gonna promote him from property protection director to roof wash specialist. I got his roof pump from here, dude, be all day. That foamer tip? Alright, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. Everybody, I'm on the wash mode here. I'm gonna start washing while Anthony's doing that. You can see, doing a good job getting a nice coat. Nice little fan tip coat. What we talking about? I just figured I'm gonna go ahead and start washing, and I can rinse. So already got soap. Look at that. We don't move mirrors. You don't move them. We don't move them. All right, guys, at the front of the house, running low on bleach. I don't know if we're gonna have enough. Got to find out. Hit the front of the house. Okay, I'm tipping a little bit. We'll be putting these. Get that whole bird. Like a cannon right there, there's the cover. Gotta be creative when you're doing this. Get all angles. Yeah, we're pulling some bleach now. We got this 1.8 injector, and we're pulling some good film. And we got gutters here, so we don't have to worry about too much of nothing. Tony's doing a great job on the roof. Good for him. They get the big promo. see if we can pull this roof off with the bleach we got. We ain't gotta come back. But if I do come back, I want to be able to do all ground level stuff, not roof stuff. So that's on the last side of the house. And we're trying to make it with the bleach we got. Hopefully we don't have to go get no bleach. May have to get some, but it's okay. Trying to conserve. I think pulling with that 1.8 and that 4%, 5%, whatever we're using, is definitely doing it. Sucking a lot of bleach. So I've got the new bleach tank coming. 2 or 3 near you. Little method we got going good. Working really good. And of course we don't have much vegetation here, which is awesome. But that house we got picked up last night, we had a lot of vegetation. But I told him, look man, I got the roof pump coming at some point. Let me wait on that. He said, absolutely. Whatever you want. The job's yours. Got it done. As you can tell, roof's brown, coming down. We rinsed a little bit of it where they had gutters just to get some water in the gutters. Did the flat work, did the house, did the roof. We'll let it rain and see what happens. May have to come back, spot check of course, but that ain't no big deal. That's what we do. All that green came off. You can see the brown here. Yeah, so it's good. So we're rolling. Powerade and lunchtime, baby. On to the next one. All right, peace.